The traditional view of the Araneae family dismisses the organism as a simple, instinctual biological predator. Araneae is the scientific order classifying all species of spiders. This assumption falls short when compared against the fact that modern human engineering continuously struggles to replicate long polymer extrusion and high-speed launch dynamics under ambient conditions. To understand its true capabilities, we must view the spider through the strict disciplines of solid mechanics, nanomaterials, and algorithmic optimization. The organism functions as a localized solid mechanics warfare platform. Silk extrusion involves the execution of highly ordered, non-powered, non-pigment-based logic design to deploy complex material structures. Discarding the standard biological assumption in favor of a rigorous biomechanical engineering framework is strictly necessary to accurately measure its kinetic and material outputs. Inside the spider's biomechanical anatomy, specialized sclerotized structures house a highly evolved kinetic delivery system. Using direct muscular force to extrude and launch polymers introduces severe physical limitations, resulting in slow deployment and massive energy inefficiency. The spider bypasses this limit using a specific kinetic decoupling mechanism known as Latch-Mediated Spring Actuation, or LaMSA. LaMSA is a mechanical process that decouples an actuator from its load to store potential energy before a rapid, explosive release. Functioning as a biological trebuchet, this mechanism relies on a physical mechanical catch that locks the system into place, actively holding back massive stored force. Potential energy builds along a rising curve prior to launch, explicitly governed by U equals 1/2 kx squared, held at an artificial peak by a mechanical catch. Upon trigger release, a violent drop represents instantaneous energy deployment, bypassing aerodynamic constraints to maximize kinetic force dissemination. By utilizing this kinetic decoupling to store and deploy potential energy, the organism overrides raw muscular limits, executing launch kinematics that continuously outpace human engineering capabilities. Moving from the launch mechanics to the internal extrusion apparatus, we locate the exact site where the raw polymer material is synthesized. A high-resolution anatomical scan definitively proves the existence of a highly specialized matrixed protein structure labeled as a locked biopolymer splicing matrix. Raw mechanical force does not drive the rapid liquid-to-solid phase change within this matrix. The process is governed entirely by programmable fluidic logic. This matrix forces the organization of previously disordered silk proteins and localized electron delocalization into rigid, ordered alignments. Electron delocalization refers to electrons that are free to move across multiple atoms, stabilizing complex molecular bonds. This graph shows the solid mechanics formula governing the newfound rigidity of these crystalline regions. It plots Hooke's law, where stress equals the elastic modulus times strain, directly across a model of these newly formed, ordered Christmas tree-like nanostructures. These specific newly formed structural alignments are classified as Boolean microstructures. These layered, twisted biological architectures provide immense fracture toughness and prevent crack propagation. The rapid biopolymer crystallization process itself acts as the true core kinetic force driving the efficiency of the entire extrusion system. The macroscopic result of this crystalline splicing is clearly visible, specifically within the thick, opaque, zigzag stable momentum patterns woven at the center of the web. These organized nanostructures achieve a breaking stress of 1.1 gigapascals. A gigapascal is a unit of pressure used in material science to quantify extreme tensile strength and structural limits. To establish a baseline of failure, we evaluate this 1.1 gigapascal breaking stress against Kevlar stretched on an industrial loom. The organic biopolymer outperforms the Kevlar matrix in tensile strength by a factor of 3. Against industrial steel slabs forged in heavy machinery, the biopolymer's tensile strength is 5 times greater, highlighting a significant performance deficit in current human metallurgy. This tensile superiority is generated by NP-hard material matrices and rigorous structural optimization logic. NP-hard refers to a class of complex computational optimization problems that challenge modern supercomputers. This specific structural geometry dictates both the extreme mechanical durability and the highly unique optical properties of the biopolymer simultaneously. At a quantum level, the matrix applies Bragg's law to cancel specific color wavelengths via destructive interference. Bragg's law is a physical equation, lambda equals 2d sine theta, used to calculate how waves diffract through crystalline lattice structures. Outperforming both steel and Kevlar under ambient biological conditions, while simultaneously managing photon diffraction, represents a capability currently unmatched by human synthetic processes. Deploying this advanced material requires an equally precise algorithmic control system to guide the organism's construction and navigation protocols. The logistical challenge is complex. How does the platform navigate highly dynamic environments and localize targets without searching the same grid coordinates twice? Rather than relying on a centralized cognitive map, the spider utilizes a decentralized spatial memory matrix distributed throughout its network. As it navigates, it performs complex acoustic signature processing to actively filter out environmental noise and isolate specific, actionable data points. This glowing node-based coordinate grid visually plots field-detected and EET logic data points as they are mapped. The expanding matrix is governed by path integration algorithms, acting as an environmental hard drive to lock out redundant movement. This data routes through a processing center, leveraging tapetum lucidum logic for accurate low-light directional sensing. The tapetum lucidum is a specialized reflective tissue layer that bounces visible light back through the retina to maximize photon detection. The spider functions as an integrated spatial computer, making its physical movements the calculated outputs of a highly optimized algorithmic formula rather than simple instinctual reactions. Reviewing the complete system, we find a fully integrated framework combining LaMSA kinetic decoupling, 1.1 gigapascal crystalline phase changes, and decentered path integration. Mapping the precise mechanics of this warfare platform provides immediate, tangible applications for modern bio-inspired engineering. Human biomedical engineers are actively copying these exact programmable fluidic logic designs to solve complex clinical challenges. Specifically, translating the Araneae matrix mechanics provides the exact blueprint necessary for manufacturing irreversible, secure medical adhesives. By biomimicking the spider's extrusion algorithms, these medical devices execute secure bonding and precise kinetic deployment safely within the human body. Recognizing the Araneae as an advanced biopolymer architect establishes a proven, tested template for the next generation of localized nanomaterial engineering.